George and I have this great listing in the town of Windermere. This 4-bedroom, 3-bath, single-story pool home has a gorgeous kitchen, hand-scraped hardwood floors, a beautiful sparkling pool, all set on a corner lot just over half an acre in the town of Windermere. Give us a call to get your personal tour of this wonderful Windermere home. Now that you've seen the house, let's go check out the town of Windermere. There are great places to sit, relax, and enjoy the beauty of the Butler Chain of Lakes. Lots of shady parks. Town residents get to enjoy private access to the Butler Chain of Lakes right here at our own private gate.
Just like that, you're fishing on the Butler Chain of Lakes.
Are you thinking about making 136 Oakdale your new home? If so, give us a call so you can start living the Windermere lifestyle.